Now we are learning the application of pointers. In one of the previous videos, with the help of this slide, I had explained you that name of a array is address of the first element. So here ARR is 1001. Now when we say ARR plus 4, what we are saying is jump or move 4 elements. So we reach the address of the fifth element. So P2 pointer here is now holding the address 1071, which is address of the fifth element. Now consider the array as shown here. The third element here is 3.1, which we can access saying A subscript 2, that is A big bracket 2, which actually for the compiler is star A plus 2. Now the star here is value at operator, and A, as we know now, it is name of the array, which is an address, and the 2 that we write inside the big bracket is a number which is nothing but index. So A here is 1001. 1001 plus 2 is nothing but 1009, which is address of the third element. Thus, A of 0 is the first element, which we can also write as shown, that is star parenthesis A plus 0, which is nothing but star A. Thus, what we are saying is from the address 1001, move nowhere. Mean to say we are at the address 1001 itself, which is the address of the first element, and when you dereference the address you get the value 1.1. Now you know why the index of an array starts from 0. Another application of pointers is the command line arguments. When we write int main parenthesis int arg count comma char star star args. So what is args here is simply a pointer. You can check the size of args will be 4 bytes on Windows or 8 bytes on Linux. That is nothing but the size of a pointer. Now the address stored in args is nothing but the address of an array where the addresses of the strings which are given at the command line are stored. The strings given in the command line here are program.exe, which happens to be the command itself. Outstanding 20 is the second argument, and Mysuru is the third argument. Thus, when we say args, what we get is 5101, which is nothing but the address held by the pointer args. Now, when you say args plus 1, what we are saying is move to the next address. That is, move to the next address of type char star star, which is present in the address 5101. Note that we are running this on Windows where the size of a pointer is 4 bytes. Further, star args is nothing but args of 0, which we have seen from the previous example. So the address we get is 1234. Now when you say star args plus 1, that is nothing but args of 0 plus 1, the address is 1235. Because the next character present is in the address 1235, the reason being the size of a character is 1 byte, because we use the ASCII convention in C and C++. Now since 1235 is an address, we can further dereference it. Thus star star args happens to be args of 00, which is nothing but P, that is value at 1235. Now star star args, which happens to be capital P, plus 1. So what happens is 1 is added to the ASCII value of P. Thus we have the character Q. This you can understand it clearly when you know the data types of ARGS, star ARGS and star star ARGS. For any further queries, or if you want to learn this in more depth, in more detail, then do reach to me. Join Outstanding 20 for an outstanding training which will fetch you an outstanding job. Thank you.